Hi everyone, it's Dr. Goodman from Evendale-Blue Pet Hospital, and I'm here to do a brief introduction to you on aromatherapy in animals. So what exactly is aromatherapy? Aromatherapy is the use of essential oils that are from the distilled portions of plants, and they are used for our health and our well-being. So what exactly is an essential oil then? Well, essential oil is a volatile substance that comes from the plant. It can be from the flower, the stem, the leaves, the fruit, the root. It can be from any portion of the plant depending on what essential oil it is. And what we mean by volatile is that it evaporates at room temperature. So what it actually does is when our body is not regulated, it helps bring our body back into homeostasis or back into an equilibrium. So what we do is with that essential oil, we breathe it in. It goes into our nose, into our scent cells, which is our olfactory system, and then travels up to our brain into what's called our limbic system. The limbic system is where we have our general function of living and breathing every day. And essential oils can have specific effects on the body, and there are known oils that have these specific effects, which is why it makes them so reliable and so good. And they can have a direct or indirect effect on our bodies. They're used in various expanses of life, and they're becoming more widely accepted throughout the world. They're used in medicine, in nursing, they're used spiritually, they're used for cosmetics, for reflexology, and now we're even using them for our fur babies, which is really exciting. It is really important to know that not all essential oils are created equally, and what that means is that you can go to the store, and I give my clients this example, and you can see a plethora or a ton of different types of lavender essential oils made by different companies. Well, there's not enough lavender fields in the world to make all of that essential oil that's considered a pure essential oil of lavender. So each oil is produced at a specific time of harvest for that plant, and also they're then sent to the factory, and the factory then will dilute them out. And if it's diluted out, then that's where it comes into a matter of they're not all created equally, because there might not truly be that essential oil in that lavender bottle. So companies that are reliable, they actually should be able to provide for you two essential things. They should be able to provide mass spectrometry on your essential oil, as well as gas chromatography, and they should have that readily available for you. Now, what do we do, or how do we use it in animals? There's three ways that we can use it. They can either ingest it, they can have it diffused in the room, or they can have it used topically. Most widely, I would say the use that I use it through is topically. Now, it's extremely important to also understand that each essential oil is used differently. So not all of them can be ingested by your fur baby. Not all of them can be diffused so that it overwhelms the sense of your fur baby. So each one is very specific. And also, it's extremely important too to know that not all essential oils are safe for our pets. They can cause harm to our pets if they're used. And also, if you think about it, an animal has a much better nose than we do as humans, and that's because they have a lot more scent receptors than we do. So essential oils can be very overwhelming for your pet if you just put it in front of your pet, like the open bottle, or you try to put the essential oil right on their fur. Essential oils have to be diluted out in a certain manner so that it doesn't overwhelm the olfactory system or the scent of your pets. So how do we use it? We use essential oils in many different ways. Some of the ways include, and where we see a lot of good effects are on behavior, anxiety. We can use it on conditions such as skin conditions. Salves can be made out of essential oils that are natural, that can help clear up infections. And things, internal diseases such as irritable bowel disease, we can use peppermint for that. A lot of people understand peppermint from the human point of view, where peppermint can help an upset stomach, and it does so by causing your blood vessels to dilate, and it allows for the blood to increase to that area, which decreases your inflammation in the area and decreases aches and pains. And so another good thing that it can be used for, speaking of aches and pains, is arthritis. So we have a vast number of ways that it can be used, and what I would love is for you to, if you have any questions whatsoever, give our office a call, ask about aromatherapy, and we can help your fur baby on its journey in essential oils. Thanks, everyone.